Any updates? Just checking free AI tools for my AI movies. You and freebies again. I might know one anyway.
What if you could generate cinematic AI videos completely free using the same Grok AI model behind this animation you just watched? Let me show you exactly how. The tool is called Oi AI. Simply search for it in your Chrome browser. It works on all devices, including your mobile phone. Click the first result and sign up using your Google account. Once you are in, you will get 200 free credits instantly on sign up, plus 60 free daily credits. Let me go ahead and claim today's bonus right now. As you can see on the dashboard, I now have a total of 260 credits. There is a lot you can explore on this platform, but today we are focused on video generation. Click on Start Creating. We will be using the Image to Video feature. Tap the plus button to upload your image. Once it is uploaded, tap on the agent panel and switch the model from image to video. Now, select the model with the Grok AI logo. It is called Oi X Imagine 1.5. Before the latest update, it was formerly known as Grok Imagine 1.5. It has now been rebranded as Oi X Imagine 1.5, but you will still see the Grok logo right beside it. With all settings in place, I will paste in my prompt with the dialogue and hit Generate. This will deduct 60 credits from your free balance. Let us hold on while it processes. It's ready! Let us watch it.
Any updates? Just checking free AI. Any updates? Just checking free AI tools for my AI movies.
Wow! That's seriously impressive. That's Grok AI quality right there. And the visuals are even further enhanced on this platform. To save your video, simply right-click and select Download Video. Now, if you want to extend the video or continue the generation, tap the small extend arrow just beside the generated video. Select Video. Switch the model back to Oi X Imagine 1.5 or any other model of your choice. Re-upload your image. Paste in your next prompt and hit Generate. Let us hold on while it processes. One thing worth knowing, Oi AI has both a free tier and a paid plan, and the platform includes a wide range of powerful models, including Dance 2.0. If you are enjoying what you see, I would strongly encourage you to consider upgrading and exploring everything it has to offer.
You and freebies again. I might know one anyway.
And that's it. From a single image and a prompt to a full AI-generated video in minutes, completely free. The tool is Oi AI, running the Oi X Imagine 1.5 model, powered by Grok. The free tier was available at the time of recording, so jump in and take advantage while it lasts. If you want to go even deeper, I've pinned a comment with more related tutorials. Join our community for bonus tutorials and extra tips to level up your AI content creation, including a video on how to push past the AI's default limits to unlock high-end 3D visuals. If this gave you value, smash that thumbs up, drop a comment below, and share this with a fellow creator who needs to see it. I'll see you in the next one.